Crispy, umami, and absolutely yummy. Om Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to make one of the traditional Balinese dish called bekocing sunaceko. Bekocing is a sardines. Yes, in Bali we call it bekocing. And here for the paste I'm using garlic, Campharia galangal, turmeric, white peppercorn, coriander seed, salt, sugar, mushroom boyong powder, and rice. For the rice, I soak it earlier already. Once the paste is ready, mix with the sardine, which is I already fillet earlier, and heated up the oil, and then fried it until golden brown. As they get cooler, the texture will be crispier. And this is absolutely yummy and super crispy. And best to serve with rice too. Matur suksema!